Do you know the difference between a mineral and a rock? No! Come with me, let's discover the funny roads of rocks and minerals.
Start, we need to know the three types of rocks. You should know the basics about them. This is sedimentary rock. It was formed from layers, like layers on top of the others and other layers. This is the only type of rock that can have fossils in it, because when the layers are forming, organic matter or living things can die there, and then it will be covered by more layers. So it's you can see like the layers of it.
So here's another example. Look at this. Look at this size of this sedimentary rock to this. Of course this is not natural. It was carved by man. So they have sedimentary rock. They have a variety of shape and size and color.
Another type of rock, metamorphic. Metamorphic rocks, they were sedimentary before, sedimentary or igneous. As you can see, you can see the layers. Sedimentaries, they have the layers, but when you scratch a sedimentary, it gets out a powder. Here, as you can see, if I do this, no powder. Yeah, so that's why it's a metamorphic rock. Sedimentary rock was compressed by heat or pressure and chemical reactions, so that's why it turns into metamorphic.
Rocks around. These igneous rocks around. No. Do you think they were carved or shaped? No. The reason why is much more interesting.
This is the reason why rocks turn round. With years and years of friction with the water, the water starts shaping the rock round. This is the reason why. This is the main reason why the rocks turn round. And it's one of the most important things in the rock cycle. Covers the tiny particles of this rock. Here, periods, and it's going to be the future sedimentary rock. That will be in the same river bed.
It will get rounder.
It's coming back from where it belongs.
Another important phenomena are the roots. Believe me or not, they can break down rocks by turning them into smaller pieces. The rock, here the roots, they come. These are not rocks like natural rocks, artificial rocks, but they still break it. And they make it's one of the most important things in the rock breaking cycle. Have you ever seen a rock like this? This is an extrusive rock that is formed outside a volcano. Because it was formed outside of the volcanoes, it was cooled faster. So here, as you can see, it looks like a sponge, a lot of bubbles inside. But these are air bubbles actually. Oh, this is another rock. This is what we call a sedimentary rock. It was formed by a lot of sediments that over years were covered one over the other. Like there were some rocks, and then they were covering, and then fossils could be like inside these rocks. Actually, I'm sitting in a big one. Here, look. Yeah, so this is the only type of rock that we can have fossils inside. So it's like a special type of rock. Yeah, here we are, and as you can see, I found this other rock. It's igneous rock that it was formed outside of the volcano. It was cooled very fast, so it's like a dark thing, and you cannot see a lot of minerals. Because when you can see a lot of minerals, it's because it was formed inside the volcano. Yeah, this rock is what we call basalt, but I think it was polished here, but it's almost a natural piece of rock. Oh, here it's a metamorphic rock. It was formed by a lot of layers. It was before a sedimentary rock. As you can see here, you can see the layers. But the metamorphic rock, if you scratch it, it doesn't release too much. But like if you scratch here, look, it's already in pieces, the sedimentary. Yeah, so as you can see, the layers, yeah. Oh, here's our last type of rock. It's what we call red granite. It's an igneous rock formed inside of the volcanoes. As you can see, it has like crystals inside, big crystals. So if it has big crystals, because it's an intrusive rock.
Here's the granite. Look the difference of a rough natural granite from a worked out one. Yeah, it's this. Have you ever noticed like rocks in your daily life, like you see every day? Have you ever counted how many you've seen in one day? Yeah, so like rocks are everywhere. Like try to find rock here where I am. Whoa, granite. This is a rock that is not only used to be a rock, but we use it to decorate buildings and to make the structures of some buildings. Yeah. So like as you can see here, there's the stairs of this foundation that they needed to excavate the rock that was like excavated, and after use rocks on top of it to make the stairs.